you probably already knew if you saw, because you saw it in the intro. So we're doing a cooking show today. So we're going to be making a microwave brownie. So the things you're going to need is a microwavable cup, because we're making microwavable brownies. You're going to need the measuring spoons. You're going to need water. It doesn't have to be in a water bottle. I just grabbed the water bottle because it's easier to pour in instead of walking back and forth. You're going to need olive oil. You need a little bit of salt, vanilla extract, brown sugar. I have it in this because I make this a lot, so I put it in this little container. Cocoa powder, flour, chocolate chips, and I would suggest laying down something so nothing doesn't, because if you spill, it's going to be down on a paper towel. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, we'll make it either way. So basically, I have the recipe right here, and today we're going to be making it. So I know it by heart, but I'm going to need to tell you what I'm doing because, it's a cooking show. So first thing you're going to need is 3 tablespoons of flour. One, 2, 3. Next thing we're going to do is 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Whoa, that waft of smell just came out of everywhere. One, 2, 3. Next thing you're going to do is 3 cups of brown sugar. You're going to have to flatten this yourself and make sure it's perfectly fine. Because, yeah. And that's why I say you want to pick a paper towel, because see how much I just spilled? 1. Oops. 2. And for me, it's fine if I level it out with my fingers because no one in my family uses this because this is from me. The container's for me to make my brownie thingies. 3. And all that I just spilled, that's why we have the paper towel. Next thing we're going to need is a pinch of salt. That was probably a waste, but next thing you're going to need is half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Sorry, I forgot to say what it was. Then you're going to need 3 tablespoons of water. And it's easier to put it in a water bottle. That's why I have this. Whoa. And that's why paper towel is handy. 1. 3. I mean, that's 2. Sorry. Don't want to mess you up. 3. Oh, poop. thing you're gonna need is 3 tablespoons of oil. One, 2, 3. Now for this part, you're going to want to use a fork. Because the last time I did this, I used a spoon, and I made the giant mistake by using the spoon because I didn't mix in the flour all the way when I was using a spoon, and it made this whole thing taste really bad when you got to the bottom of it because all you could taste is flour and chocolate. It wasn't nice. So basically, it should look like that because I'm not going to turn it over. But then you have to mix it. Ta-da. Make sure you got everything. And when you put this down, this is also why you need a paper towel. And so it should look like that. And then you're gonna take it, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Technically, I don't know if you see this, but 1. And it should start, and then as it's doing that, you know, just clean off all your ingredients, like so, like I am. And use the exact same fork because it makes no sense to dirty another fork. So I'm gonna put that there. And then put everything away. Be done. It should look like that. That smells good though. Okay. And there is no eggs, so it's if you don't it's safe to eat it because you might think I didn't put it in for a long enough time. It's okay if you didn't because it's no egg recipe. So basically you should mix it up so it has air, and then basically all you do is next is eat it and enjoy it. Maybe go on the couch, watch some TV. That's basically the end of this cooking show. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm not going to eat it on camera because it's super hot because it was in there for 3 minutes. But I hope you like it, and comment down below if you really enjoyed it and that it tastes good. And bye!